I think engage is foundational to all the other shared foundations. It's at the end of the shared foundations. Inquire, include, collaborate, curate, explore, all come before engage. And I think that was intentional. It's a very cyclical process.
Our intent was to have people think about learning from a very inward journey progressing to an outward journey. Inquire, the first shared foundation, is the beginning and the most inward looking of the shared foundations. When we talk about engage, then we're talking about the most outward part of the journey.
There's that spiral, that cyclical, sometimes linear relationship between the shared foundations, but they all rely on one another. Throughout the book and throughout the pre-conference that we'll be doing at AASL, we will be talking about how the shared foundations relate to one another.
At first blush, the Engage Shared Foundation might seem to be around citation and copyright. And while these are very important elements of SHARE, engaging with the wider world for learners and for school librarians is really the intent of the Shared Foundation.
We have to help everyone look beyond our schools, particularly when we think about engaging with knowledge. To develop a school-wide culture, I think, is a beginning, but I think we have to develop that global network.
With the Engage Shared Foundation, we really focus on these external opportunities for students to learn new cultures, meet new people, and engage in exciting conversation.
You model for your learners, and so do classroom educators every day.
Think differently about collection development and the resources that we actually have available for learning. By thinking about those in new ways, we're able to see that community assets are all around us in the form of citizens, officials, leaders, elders, and friends. Books don't have to be the only resources that kids can use to learn.
It's amazing what people are willing to do and what they're willing to share. And so I think for school librarians and for classroom educators, it's really important that they develop those dynamic, strategic relationships around the world.